Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to activate vibrant visuals in Minecraft Bedrock. As you can see here, mine is available. Okay, so actually, I'm currently on the main menu. Yeah, when you go ahead and hit on play, for example, you go ahead and open up a new world. The vibrant visuals will not load. Okay, I know it's kind of weird, but you have to go to the main menu. Maybe it just needs you to be on the main menu so that when you open up a world, it will reload all the resources needed for vibrant visuals. Okay, so to do it, again, I'm going to go ahead over to settings right here, wall and game. As you can see, when we go ahead over to video, vibrant visuals is disabled, or this toggle right here at the top or the drop down is disabled. Okay, you cannot change it. But if it's set to vibrant visuals, you can go ahead and change the vibrant options right here. Okay, so go ahead and save and quit. And then go back to settings right here from the main menu. And from here, you can go ahead and change from vibrant, fancy, simple, or whatever. Okay, so let's just go ahead and test this out. Third person, FOV, 110. And that's it. Okay, I'm going to hit on play. Open up a new world, or open up a world, or even multiplayer. And as you can see, it should work now. That is it. If you can't activate it, okay, that would be a problem. You must at least use, okay, the latest Bedrock preview or version 1.21.90 plus, okay. Also, this feature only works on Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, PS4, PS5, Android, iOS, and PC. If your device isn't mentioned, well, unfortunately, it's not going to work. All right. Also, for system specifications, vibrant visuals right here requires capable hardware, such as an Adreno 640 GPU, or even Snapdragon 855, or Mali GPU, MediaTek 1000 for mobile. Okay. Also, for PC, DirectX 12 is needed. Okay. If you don't have DirectX 12, well, you could go ahead and download it. And make sure that your GPU is DirectX 12 capable. And that is it. That is how you activate vibrant visuals in Minecraft Bedrock. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.